What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another exciting tech video for you guys, and today we're putting the brand new Lefant M5 Pro through its paces. This is a robot vacuum and mop combo, but what really impressed me here is that it has a feature you usually don't see at this price point, which is the fact that it mops with continuously fresh water. A lot of other robot mop combos, they tend to just repollute your floor and basically make it dirty as it's mopping, but this one actually continues spraying that fresh water, and then the dirty water gets cleaned up as waste and rinse and repeat, so to speak. So today we're gonna go through all the various features, put it through its paces, and see if it really lives up to the hype. So let's jump into it. All right, so first let's talk about the mopping, because that really is the headlining feature here, and it's where the M5 Pro separates itself from other robot mop vacs in this category. Most robot mops out there use a flat, damp pad, and within about a minute of cleaning, that pad is just smearing dirty water around your floor. The M5 Pro takes a different approach. It uses a 20 centimeter roller brush that's 2 centimeters longer than what most competitors are putting out, and it has 16 water outlets along that brush that spray fresh, clean water in real time while it scrubs. And the part that actually impressed me when I tested this, the dirty water doesn't just sit there. There's a constant pressure wiper strip that behind the brush, and it scrapes the wastewater right back up into the robot. So at any given moment, the part of your floor it's touching is getting hit with clean water, scrubbed at 280 RPMs, and then squeegee dry. The brush itself presses down with about 18 times the downward pressure of a standard mop pad, so it's not just a wet wipe pretending to scrub. And here's the smart part: when it encounters a rug or a carpet, it's going to lift itself up to 8 millimeters. That way you're not soaking your favorite area rug, and the body is quite thin at only around 10 centimeters tall, so it's going to fit under most of your furniture and TV stands, which is really important in a large house. Okay, so let's talk about the next feature here, and this is what turns it from a cool gadget to something you definitely will want to have in your home, and that's that the dock basically does everything for you. When the M5 Pro returns to the dock, it does 4 key things. First, the dust gets sucked into a 3.2 liter sealed dust bag that lasts up to 120 days. That way you're not emptying it every other day. The dirty water from mopping gets discharged into the wastewater tank, and fresh water gets pumped back into the robot. And then the roller brush itself gets washed with 75 degrees Celsius hot water. That's hot enough to actually break down oil and dry down grime, not just rinse it. And after the wash, Lefant made a really smart choice here with the M5 Pro. A lot of mops, robot mops, use hot air drying when the mop is washed, and while it does dry faster, it actually can wear down the mop pad material over time. You get a shorter mop lifespan, more frequent replacements, higher long-term cost on consumables, and that really adds up over time. The M5 Pro goes the other direction and uses cool air drying instead. You still avoid the odor and mold issues that you get from leaving a wet mop sitting there, but the roller material is protected from heat damage and that degradation over time. So this way it lasts longer, you're not going to be replacing it as often, and you save money over the lifetime of owning the bot. And the M5 Pro is incredibly quiet, 55 decibels, which is quieter than a normal conversation, so it can run while you're watching TV without you even noticing. You can also customize the drying time in the app, which matters because if you don't dry the brush properly, you get that musty smell after a few days, and no one wants that. None of that here with the Lefant M5 Pro. The robot also gets around 180 minutes of runtime per charge, so that way if you have a relatively large home like I do, which is close to 5,000 square feet, you will be able to clean very large sectors of your home at a time without worrying about this one having to return to the dock all the time to charge up. Next, let's talk about suction power, and the M5 Pro actually hits 18,000 pascals, which is right up there with Flagship high-end robotic vacuum. For context, most mid-range robots are sitting around 4,000 to 8,000 pascals. This thing nearly triples that. It uses a V-shaped turbo roller brush that funnels everything towards the center, and the air ducts are tuned to pull dirt directly into the bin instead of letting it bounce around. This way you're getting deep dust out of carpet fibers, debris out of the tile grout lines, and pet hair off hard floors, all in a single pass. Speaking of pet hair, if you've got a long-haired dog or cat, or just a partner with long hair, the Anti-Tangle design here is one of the better ones I've used. The V-shaped brush is paired with a dual comb structure and zero tangle arc side brush. The geometry of it guides hair into the dustbin instead of letting it wrap around the brush axle, which keeps you from having to untangle this constantly. In my testing, we basically had to never unwind this brush manually. So that is one of the most frustrating things when you deal with robot vacuums. You get hair tangled in it, you've got to stop it, go over, pick it up, cut it with some scissors or untie it manually yourself and then send it back out. You don't have to worry about that here with the M5 Pro. Next, let's talk about navigation, because every robot vacuum and mop is only as good as its navigation, because if it can't get around your house, if it can't see anything, doesn't know where it's cleaning, when it's cleaning, what it's cleaning, then you're gonna have a problem. But the M5 Pro is incredibly smart. The M5 Pro uses 360-degree LiDAR, the same kind of tech that's in self-driving cars, to scan a real-time 3D map of your home. It generates a high-precision floor plan in just a few minutes, and then it plans the most efficient cleaning path so it's not zigzagging or missing random spots. It also stores up to 3 floor maps, so if you have a 2-story or even 3-story house, like I do, I have basically a lower level and an upper level in my house, you can just carry it to one of those levels, sit it down, and it automatically recognizes which floor it's on, and you're good to go. Obstacle avoidance is handled by the new PSD 2.0 system with 190-degree wide-angle detection. It bypasses table legs, cables, toys, anything that's in its path, without having you to baby-proof your whole floor before running it. And it can be incredibly annoying having to clean up literally everything in order for your robot mop vac to do its job. And because it uses LiDAR instead of a regular camera, it can also see in the dark, so you don't have to worry about running this at nighttime. If that's when it's most convenient for you for it to M5 Pro to go do its job, there's no worries at all. It can clean perfect in absolute dark. Inside the Lefant app, you can set custom no-go zones, no mop zones, schedule cleanings, adjust the suction strength, control mop water output, all the standard stuff, plus you have voice control through Alexa, Google Home, and even through your Apple Watch. So pulling all this together, should you actually buy one? Should you go out and get the M5 Pro? If you've got a multi-room home that has a mixture of hardwood, tile, carpet, area rugs, and you've been frustrated with how other robot mops clean and typically smear around dirty water, the Lefant M5 Pro absolutely fixes that. The freshwater system is the real selling point here. The self-cleaning base is the convenience layer that makes you actually use the thing every day instead of forgetting about it. And that 18,000 Pascal suction means it's not a gimmick mop with weak vacuuming bolted on. It does both jobs well. It's especially solid for pet owners with shedding issues, anyone with a 1,500 to 2,000 plus square foot home, or honestly just anyone who's tired of pulling hair out of the roller brush every other week and having to detangle those yourself. That's the Lefant M5 Pro. If you guys want to check it out yourself, purchase one, dig into all the specs, all the links in the pinned comment description. Also, any relevant discount codes or deals that they have right now will be there as well. Highly appreciate Lefant for sending this out for review and sponsoring the video. If you guys have any questions for me about the M5 Pro, drop those below. I'd be happy to get back to you guys. Been using it for a few weeks, definitely have quite a few thoughts. If you want to know if this is the right choice for you and your family, can also answer those type of questions as well. Appreciate you guys checking this video, and of course, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.